Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sobhan and I'm an art teacher. And in this video I want to drawing one character of Walt Disney company. And I think you know him, and I think you know him. The name of him, Donald Duck. Donald Duck is very famous in the Walt Disney. And before we begin, I want to subscribe my YouTube channel and thank you for supporting me. And if you can do it, share it to another friend. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Before we are starting the drawing, I want to show you my another painting or drawing. This is all of the Walt Disney character. I really like my sketchbook. It's really cool and really funny. And now, at the first, I'm using a circle for the head and one. This shape is here. And I found the center of here. And then I use it this shape, and I try to do it more detail for the eyes. It's okay, and exactly this here and this here. I do it for left eye. And again I draw it this shape. And now I drawing for nose and mouth. And this shape helping to me for do it better my drawing. And it's okay. One line is here, and the line, it's a little curve is there, and the neck of him, and at the end I drawing the hair, wavy hair, and in the end I drawing a hat. Little hair is there again. And I think it's enough. And the details of the hat. And now it's the best time for using the pencil color. In the last courses I used it rapid, and in this course I want to use it the color pencil, black color pencil. It's very important using black color pencil, not black pencil normal, because black color pencil it's very strong and very black. Did you see that? This is normal pencil, this is black pencil. This is, excuse me, black pencil color. And it's very important for complete the details. And again, the eyes of him. It's really fun character in Walt Disney, and every time I do a fight with Mickey Mouse. It's very cool. I love it. I love it. The character. And thank you so much for company of Walt Disney, because Walt Disney create many fun character in the company. It's okay. And now the time for the nose and mouth. It's again. Maybe you can use a circle and do it empty. And up to you. Not urgent. Maybe it's enough. And it's like, oh no, it's better. It's black. Black is better, I think. This is okay. And this is okay. And then, better than to drawing hatchet style for the hat. And into the hat, it's black because we haven't the light into the hat. And it's important, very black, totally black into the hat. And again, I use hatchet style for drawing. You can using fade drawing, not important hatching style, but I like it with hatchet style, and I think it's cool. And now again I use it hatchet style for here. And if you want, you can use a color pencil and do the color. It's up to you. But for me, black and white is more fun, and I like it more. Maybe next time I use it my pencil color. But for now, I think it's better. And I think it's ending. I hope you like. Now it's ending. I hope you like it, and very fun and very cool. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for everything. And next video I try to do painting with watercolor, with oil pastel, with soft pastel, with color pencil, with everything. And thank you for watching my video, and goodbye until to the next video. Bye.